Example 7. If x to the power of y is equals to y to the power of x, then prove that x by y to the power of x by y is equals to x to the power of x by y minus 1. Also show that y is equals to 2 when x is equals to 2y. Okay, let's consider x to the power of y is equals to y to the power of x. Let me take this condition, and now I would consider x by y to the power of x by y. This can be written it as, we know from the formula, a by b to the power of m is equals to a power m by b power m. So I can say it is x to the power of x by y divided by y to the power of x by y. And we know the concept of a to the power of m to the power of n is a to the power of mn. So I say this is x to the power of x by y divided by y to the power of x to the power of 1 by y by using this formula. Now from condition 1, y power x is nothing but x power y. So I shall write x to the power of x by y divided by x to the power of y to the power of 1 by y from condition 1. That simplifies it as x to the power of x by y divided by x to the power of y into 1 by y, nothing but x power 1. But we know a power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. So by using that concept, it is x to the power of x by y minus 1. Okay. Now the condition is, we have to show that y is equals to 2 when x equals to 2y. If x equals to 2y, x equals to 2y in condition 1, let me take up, it is 2y to the power of y is equals to y to the power of 2y, y to the power of 2y, and this can be simplified it as 2y to the power of y is equals to y square to the power of y. As the powers are equal, bases have to be equal. That implies 2y must be is equals to y square, and by cancellation of y, it gives us y is equals to 2.